Today we are going to do a roast. This roast can be made with any meat. Today we are doing it with chicken. You can use pork or mutton, whatever you want to. So the first thing we are using the whole chicken legs. You fork the chicken a bit so that the masala goes into it, because we'll have to marinate it and keep it aside for some time. So we will be marinating it with the ginger garlic paste, and our roast masala. This is a special homemade roast masala which will now be available with the home Kouzina. So we'll add about a tablespoon of masala in this and some lemon juice and salt. Salt to taste, of course. Now this mix marinate into the chicken really well so that it goes right inside, and keep the meat marinated for a couple of hours. You can even do it overnight. We'll add a little bit of oil. Now the oil is hot. We first add a little bit of cloves and pepper, a bit of cinnamon and cardamom and whole red chilies. If you want, you can break them up if they're too big. So just fry them a little bit and then put in your fried onions. We're adding a little bit of salt. And the onion should be nicely browned. Chicken thighs to it. So you brown it a bit on one side and then you turn it over. Got a nice brown color. Now we add the rest of the water from the marinade, enough to cook the chicken. And keep it on a low flame till the chicken cooks. Probably take about another 10-15 minutes.